Here's a look at some Jordan 4 Pine Greens, which I got from Nicekicksshop. Now this is a pretty new sneaker release, and I was really pumped when they offered to send me one. Now I did review these on my TikTok if you do want to check that out, but this is going to be going a bit more in depth. Now unfortunately I don't own a retail pair of these to compare it to, but I've been looking online at some photos and these do come very, very close to the originals. You can see the stitching on the front tongue is crisp, and that's always the first place I look for when legit checking these Jordan 4s. The back tab also should pop straight back up, and here you can see there's no problem whatsoever. Then the cage goes with the flow of the shoe, which is also super important. I also wanted to make sure the material was good, and as you can see when I'm pushing down on the toe box, it's popping straight back up, which is an indication that it's made out of a really good quality leather. I've put a link to the shop where I got these from. They're called Nicekicksshop, and you can get 10% off if you use my code PATCH when you check out. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more sneaker content.